What's up YouTube, it's Prosidian with the long awaited setup tour. Everything in my setup will be in the description, so if I do miss anything, just have a little look down below. Also, if you have any questions on my setup and how I've done things, just anything in regards to my setup, just let me know down in the comments. Also guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, put that post bell on for the post notifications to see when my next video is. And yeah, let's get straight into the video. So first up, we've got my gaming chair, which is the Secret Lab Titan XL Cookies and Cream. I used to have an Amazon racing chair, but that used to make me ache after a long session, and this is honestly perfect. Next up, we have the two monitors on the left. The top one is a Samsung 60Hz monitor, and the bottom is 144Hz because that used to be my gaming monitor. Over here we have this bad boy, which is the Alienware 240Hz 1 millisecond delay. Honestly amazing monitor. Over the back here, the Alienware is mounted with the single arm monitor mount, and the two on the left are mounted with a dual arm monitor mount. Onto the camera, we are rocking the Sony a5100 with a Sigma 16mm 1.4 lens. And because we've had a few issues with cooling, I've got a mini clip fan which I got from Amazon, which attaches to my Elgato key light. Obviously, onto the Elgato key lights, we have two up the top, one pointing directly on my face and one diffusing off the 3D panels on the wall. Onto the desk, we have the Elgato Stream Deck, which is the 15 key model, which allows me to switch between all my scenes. Next to it, we have the fancy small desk fan, so if I get a bit hot, I can just turn that on. Then next to it, we have the Go XLR, which controls all the audio for my stream and makes my life 100% easier. Everything is attached to the Eureka 7.1S gaming desk, which I got from Amazon. Over to the front, we have the Apex Pro TKL with the SteelSeries white pudding keycaps. I love this keyboard and the delay that it has on it. Also, we have the Logitech G Pro wireless on the Corsair MM300 extended mousepad. Over to the mic, we are rocking the Shure SM7B, which is attached to the Elgato low profile mic arm. These go together so perfectly with my Go XLR. It is unreal. It helps me with recording, streaming, you name it. Honestly amazing. Moving to underneath the desk, we have the Seagate 6TB drive on top of the streaming PC. The specs are showing right now. This used to be my original gaming and streaming PC till I was able to get an upgrade. This is honestly an insane piece of kit, and I'm so lucky to have a dual PC setup. Over here is the absolute beast of a gaming PC. Took me a while to build this, but we are rocking a Ryzen 9 5900X with a 3080 RTX Founders Edition. It has got 3600 MHz of 16GB G-Skill RAM. It has got two 980 Pro 1TB NVMe drives, and it is on an incredible case of the Corsair Crystal 570X. The full list is in the description. Moving over to the side of the desk, we have the Arctis 3 wireless and my Elite Series 2 controller, and my girlfriend's Xbox One S connected to the 43-inch LG 4K TV. As you can see, I've got a fireplace video, which I sometimes use after a stream to wind down and relax for the rest of the night. Up on the gaming shelf, we've got the custom Xbox One controller and the Night Ops controller, along with a few pops. And also, if you do decide to pick up any Qallo, use code Prosidian for 10% off and let me know in the comments. Over on the back wall, we have the Art 3D wall panels that I installed myself with some batten. And on the top here, we have the Govee Wi-Fi RGB lights. And that is 5 meters of that times by 2. Obviously behind me, which you may have seen, I have the skylights pointing on the wall and more Govee lights. I just want to take this time to thank and appreciate everybody that's made this possible, because without everyone that's supporting me on my streams and just everywhere, I wouldn't have been able to get the setup that I've got now. There is a few things that I'd like to change in the future in my setup, but honestly, I'm so happy with it at this current stage. And thank you so much for making it all possible.